English Anyone, Lesson 19, Adverbs of Frequency, Time, Manner, and Place.
Hey there, I'm Drew. What's your name? Today I'm at a park. Today is sunny and beautiful. Today I'm not wearing a hat. Listen and watch.
Adjectives versus adverbs. These are sardines. These are fast sardines. These sardines are fast. These sardines are swimming quickly. These are spider crabs. These are slow spider crabs. These spider crabs are slow. These spider crabs are moving slowly. Adverb plus verb. He stirs slowly. He stirs quickly. Adverb plus adjective. This train is really fast. This train is really slow. Adverb plus adverb. They are inspecting the cups very carefully. How? Adverbs of manner. How am I bowing? I'm bowing respectfully. How am I typing? I'm typing carelessly. Am I typing carefully? No, I'm not. I'm not typing carefully. How is he going to write? He's going to write sloppily. Where? Adverbs of place. It's cold. Where am I reading? I'm reading inside. It's warm. Where am I reading? I'm reading outside. When? How often? Adverbs of time and frequency. When is my birthday? Is my birthday every hour? No, it isn't. My birthday's not hourly. Is my birthday every day? No, it isn't. My birthday's not daily. Is my birthday every week? No, it isn't. My birthday's not weekly. Is my birthday every month? No, it isn't. My birthday's not monthly. When is my birthday? My birthday is every year. My birthday's yearly. When does the sun shine? The sun always shines. Does the sun always shine? Yes, it does. I usually drink water. I often drink water. I frequently drink water. I don't usually drink coffee. How often do I watch TV? I watch TV sometimes. Sometimes I watch TV. I rarely play the piano. I play the piano badly. I seldom play the piano. I never eat my phone. I absolutely can't eat my phone. Listen and watch. Yesterday, we were watching a very talented street performer. The street performer was spinning a diabolo very quickly. Then he launched the diabolo powerfully and caught the diabolo miraculously. Next, he juggled 2 dangerous knives and 1 delicious apple. He juggled happily and effortlessly. Then he bit the apple excitedly. He bit the apple repeatedly. The crowd watched his fantastic performance attentively. Did the performer drop the diabolo clumsily? No, he didn't. He caught the diabolo deftly. Did the performer juggle skillfully? Yes, he did. Tomorrow, we're gonna watch a very talented street performer. The street performer is going to spin a diabolo very quickly. Then he'll launch the diabolo powerfully and catch the diabolo miraculously. Next, he'll juggle 2 dangerous knives and 1 delicious apple. He's gonna juggle happily and effortlessly. Then he'll bite the apple excitedly. He'll bite the apple repeatedly. The crowd will watch his fantastic performance attentively. Will the performer drop the diabolo unexpectedly? No, he won't. He'll catch the diabolo amazingly. Will the performer juggle sloppily? No, he won't. He'll juggle confidently and deftly.
Goodbye.
To learn more about our monthly Master English Conversation audio and video lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free newsletter and email video course for students, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.